The B-2 spirit a marvel of modern engineering and the epitome of stealth technology. It's a plane that has captivated imaginations and stirred fear in the hearts of those who might face it. But what exactly makes the B-2 so special? In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at this legendary aircraft, exploring its design, capabilities, history, and the critical role it plays in modern warfare. When the B-2 spirit first took to the skies, it was unlike anything the world had ever seen. The sleek, bat-like design immediately set it apart from other military aircraft. But this shape wasn't just for looks, it was the key to the B-2's most defining feature, its stealth. The B-2 is a flying wing, a design that eliminates many of the conventional radar signatures that would normally give away an aircraft's position. Traditional planes have vertical stabilizers and other protruding surfaces that reflect radar waves back to their source, making them detectable. The B-2's flat, angular shape, combined with advanced materials and coatings, allows it to evade radar detection with unparalleled effectiveness. But what exactly is stealth, and how does the B-2 achieve it? Stealth technology is all about reducing an aircraft's visibility, not just to the human eye, but to a range of detection methods. Radar is the most well-known of these, but infrared, acoustic, and even visual detection are all challenges that stealth aircraft must overcome. The B-2's radar cross-section, the measure of how detectable an object is to radar, is famously small. It's often compared to the size of a large bird rather than an aircraft over 69 feet long with a wingspan of 172 feet. This is achieved through a combination of design, materials, and a special radar-absorbent coating. The aircraft's shape deflects radar waves away from their source, while the coating absorbs and scatters the waves, making the B-2 incredibly difficult to detect. However, stealth is not just about avoiding radar. The B-2 also has measures in place to reduce its infrared signature, the heat it gives off. This is crucial for avoiding detection by heat-seeking missiles and sensors. The engines of the B-2 are buried deep within the aircraft, and the exhaust is mixed with cool air before being expelled, reducing the heat signature. Additionally, the B-2's engines are equipped with specially designed exhaust systems that minimize noise, making it harder to detect acoustically. Even the materials used in the B-2's construction are selected for their low observability characteristics, contributing to the plane's overall stealth profile. The development of the B-2 was a massive undertaking, shrouded in secrecy from its inception in the late 1970s. The aircraft was the product of the Advanced Technology Bomber Program, a response to the increasing sophistication of Soviet air defenses during the Cold War. The program was so secretive that even the contractors working on different components were often unaware of how their parts would fit into the final design. When the B-2 was officially unveiled in 1988, it marked a turning point in military aviation. The aircraft was designed to carry both conventional and nuclear weapons, with the capability to strike targets anywhere in the world, all while remaining virtually undetectable. This combination of range, payload, and stealth gave the B-2 a strategic advantage that has yet to be matched by any other aircraft. But the B-2's development wasn't without its challenges. The project faced significant hurdles, both technical and financial. The B-2's advanced design required the development of new materials, avionics, and manufacturing techniques, many of which had never been used before. The aircraft's radar-absorbent coating, for example, was a groundbreaking innovation, but it required meticulous application and maintenance to remain effective. Then there was the cost. The B-2 is one of the most expensive aircraft ever built, with each unit costing over $2 billion. This high price tag led to significant debate within the U.S. government, with some arguing that the funds could be better spent elsewhere. However, proponents of the B-2 argued that its unparalleled capabilities justified the expense, and the program ultimately continued. The B-2 has seen combat on several occasions, most notably in Kosovo in 1999 and during the early stages of the wars in Afghanistan and Iraq. In each of these conflicts, the B-2 played a crucial role in delivering precision strikes against high-value targets, often at the very start of the conflict. Its ability to penetrate heavily defended airspace without detection made it an ideal platform for taking out critical infrastructure and command centers. In Kosovo, the B-2 flew some of its first combat missions, delivering devastating blows to Serbian forces. Operating from Whiteman Air Force Base in Missouri, the B-2s flew non-stop missions halfway around the world, demonstrating their remarkable range and the ability to project power globally. The strikes were highly accurate, thanks in part to the B-2's advanced targeting systems, which allowed it to deliver bombs with pinpoint precision, minimizing collateral damage. During the wars in Afghanistan and Iraq, the B-2 again played a vital role in the early stages of the conflict. In Afghanistan, it was used to destroy Taliban command centers and bunkers, helping to dismantle the regime's ability to coordinate its forces. In Iraq, the B-2 targeted Saddam Hussein's palaces, military installations, and communications networks, crippling the Iraqi leadership's ability to resist the U.S.-led invasion. But the B-2's role isn't just about dropping bombs. The aircraft is also a key component of the United States nuclear deterrent. It can carry a variety of nuclear weapons, including the B-61 and B-83 bombs, and it is one of the few aircraft capable of delivering these weapons over long distances. This makes the B-2 a critical element in maintaining global strategic stability. The concept of nuclear deterrence is based on the idea that the threat of a devastating retaliatory strike will prevent adversaries from launching a nuclear attack in the first place. The B-2, with its ability to penetrate enemy defenses and deliver nuclear weapons anywhere in the world, plays a central role in this strategy. The mere existence of the B-2 serves as a powerful deterrent, ensuring that potential adversaries think twice before considering a nuclear strike. The B-2's nuclear capability is also a key part of the United States nuclear triad, which includes land-based intercontinental ballistic missiles (ICBMs), submarine-launched ballistic missiles (SLBMs), and strategic bombers. This triad ensures that even if one component is neutralized, the others can still deliver a retaliatory strike. The B-2's ability to fly undetected deep into enemy territory gives it a unique advantage within this triad, making it a cornerstone of U.S. national security. Despite its age, the B-2 remains at the cutting edge of military technology. The aircraft has undergone numerous upgrades over the years, ensuring it remains a formidable asset in the U.S. arsenal. Advances in radar technology, avionics, and weapons systems have all been incorporated into the B-2, keeping it ahead of potential adversaries. One of the most significant upgrades to the B-2 is the incorporation of the advanced extremely high-frequency EHF satellite communications system. This system allows the B-2 to communicate securely with other military assets, even in contested environments where traditional communications might be jammed. The AEHF system also enables the B-2 to receive updated targeting information while in flight, allowing it to respond quickly to changes on the battlefield. Another critical upgrade is the addition of the Defensive Management System DMS, which enhances the B-2's ability to detect and evade enemy radar and surface-to-air missiles. The B-2 Spirit is more than just an aircraft. It's a symbol of the technological and strategic prowess of the United States. Its ability to strike undetected anywhere in the world gives it a unique place in military history. As we look to the future of aerial warfare, the lessons learned from the B-2 will undoubtedly influence the next generation of stealth bombers. But for now, the B-2 remains the king of the skies,